आराम से रिमोटली ले जा सकते हैं। और ये एक टेक्नोलॉजी का डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन किया जा रहा है कि कैसे आप इतनी दूर बैठे स्वीडन के हेडक्वार्टर में आप इस गाड़ी को आराम से यहाँ से चला सकते हैं। और इसका यूजर केस जो मैं आपको बता रहा था कि हैजन।
So hi friends, so just now we saw the video in which the Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji was running a car from New Delhi, India, and the car was getting controlled in Sweden. So that's a great achievement of 5G, and it's a great milestone which our mankind has achieved on technological advancement. Similarly, we are also implementing a technology in which we are running a plant which is situated in West Bengal, and this plant is totally controlled from a control room in Punjab, near Chandigarh. So we are running a plant in Siliguri, West Bengal, and controlling it from Punjab, near Chandigarh. So it's around like 3,000 kilometers away, and let's see how we are doing it. So hi friends, this is a demonstration to show the remote commissioning. This machine which you are seeing on screen is the diverter belt for feeding materials to the belt on different lines. So this is the entire circuit. Okay, you can see two lines going. So line 1 and line 2 going to different truck loaders. Okay, this truck loader and this truck loader, so two lines. So this is governed by this diverter. So that diverter is which one, which we are seeing in the screen. Okay, this one. So what I am going to do is I am going to run this belt on simulation and see that whether the diverter diverts or not. And this all things we are doing from another control room, totally different. It's actually a plyboard factory, and it's situated in Punjab, and we are controlling this plant, which is a cement plant, which is situated in West Bengal. Okay, almost like 3,000 kilometers away, both in one screen. So I will start this truck loader. Okay, started. You can see operated. Okay, now the entire circuit will start automatically. The belt also will start. You can see the conveyor belt also started along with it. You can see the conveyor also has started, and this entire circuit has started now. Okay, the diverter has diverted to this direction. Like you can see, the diverter has diverted to that direction. Okay, and now the material is feeding into this truck. Okay, through this line. Now this was a demonstration to show how we run the plant from a remote location on hazardous areas without human intervention. Okay, so now I will stop the loading point as well. Okay, I will stop this loading point as well. I stopped. So entire circuit stopped, and the diverter has resumed back to its home position. Okay, so this was the entire presentation for showing the capability. And remember, this is happening 3,000 kilometers away. Okay, and we are controlling it from Punjab, and the plant is running at Siliguri, West Bengal. Thank you. So this is Star Cement plant, and we are running from Punjab. The plant is situated in Siliguri. So from here I am giving the command to this solenoid valve. You can see both in one screen. Clicked. Yes, the response is fast. Then I will close it. So yes, you can see there is no any lag between the systems. It's operating fast. You can see it, the technological achievement which we are having I am operating from Punjab, and you can see there. And you can see I am closing from here, and it's so this is how we operate the plants. So thank you.